Hi, VencoreWeather.com meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Wednesday, June 28th. A very comfortable morning here in the I-95 corridor. Looks like we'll have comfortable conditions for another 24 hours or so. The tide turns on Thursday, however. It looks like it'll become breezy tomorrow afternoon, turn much warmer, more humid. High temperatures today around 80 degrees, but probably the upper 80s on Thursday afternoon in the D.C. to New York City corridor. And then pretty hot and humid for Friday and Saturday. High temperatures at or slightly above the 90-degree mark in D.C., Philadelphia, New York City. Could be an isolated shower or thunderstorm on Friday. Probably a better shot at some showers and thunderstorms late Saturday night as a frontal system approaches. Some of those showers and storms could linger into Sunday, especially along coastal sections. No day this weekend, however, will be a washout. In fact, it looks pretty decent for later Sunday and Monday the way it stands right now. But again, hot and humid conditions for Friday and Saturday, and still very warm on Sunday as well. Let's start off with the latest visible satellite image of the U.S. I wanted to focus in on the northeast U.S. Just look at this area of virtually totally clear skies here. A few clouds up across northern Pennsylvania, but for the most part, it'll be a sunny day today, and again, comfortable conditions for this time of the year. Dew points way down in the low 50s, which is very comfortable for late June. Also wanted to point out, down here over Wallops Island, Virginia, and over the Outer Banks, clear skies right now. The reason I point that out is, once again, NASA will try to launch a sounding rocket, and this time it's scheduled for an inconvenient time, very early tomorrow morning, around 4:30 a.m. Thursday morning. And there are two ground observing sites here, one right at Wallops itself in Virginia, and the other over in the Outer Banks region, Duck, North Carolina. Clear skies in both of those places right now, and it looks promising all the way through tonight into the early part of tomorrow morning. So this is, I believe, the 16th attempt by NASA, and we have a full story posted on our website about this particular mission. It is expected to produce colorful artificial clouds way up high in the atmosphere about 4 or 5 minutes after launch. So again, that is now set for an inconvenient time, about 4:30 tomorrow morning, but the weather looks quite promising. These colorful artificial clouds should be visible in D.C., Philadelphia, and New York City. In D.C., look to the southeast. In Philly, New York City, look to the south to southeast. Again, early tomorrow morning, 4:30 to 4:45 a.m. is the time frame, and you can follow the countdown on NASA's Ustream site, and that's the best way to approach it if you're interested. Again, early tomorrow morning. Well, let's walk through last night's zero-Z GFS model run. We'll look at 24-hour increments beginning with this evening's forecast, Wednesday evening, going all the way through the weekend. High pressure in control throughout the day today. Again, very comfortable for this time of the year. That high pressure, notice by the end of today, is shifting off the East Coast. Warmer air is flowing into the Ohio Valley today. That'll become noticeably warmer here, with a breeze picking up tomorrow afternoon as that high pushes off the coast. In fact, let's take a look at the Thursday evening forecast map. And here we go. By tomorrow night, that high pressure area well off the East Coast by this time, and we'll be experiencing low-level southwest winds that should pick up during the afternoon on Thursday and pump in warmer and more humid air. Again, high temperatures today around 80 degrees in D.C., Philadelphia, New York City. Probably about 87, 88 degrees tomorrow afternoon. Tomorrow is the transition day from comfortable conditions today to pretty hot and humid by Friday, and that hot and humid weather will continue on Saturday as well. Well, here's the forecast map for Friday evening. A continuation of low-level southwest winds, humid, probably highs right around 90 degrees on Friday afternoon. There can be an isolated shower or thunderstorm anywhere in the I-95 corridor on Friday afternoon. Certainly most, if not the entire day, will be rain-free, however. But very humid and, again, hot with high temperatures at or slightly above the 90-degree mark Friday afternoon. Now by Saturday evening, notice the GFS is putting out an area of green or light green to dark green, indicating where precipitation, in this case showers and thunderstorms, may be. There will be a weak frontal system approaching the area late in the day on Saturday, and looks like mid to late afternoon hours through the evening there can be some showers or thunderstorms in the I-95 corridor region. Some of those can continue into early Sunday, especially along coastal areas like New Jersey, for example. Delmarva Peninsula has a pretty decent shot at some showers and thunderstorms on Sunday as well. Still a hot and humid day on Saturday with highs at or slightly above the 90-degree mark in D.C., Philly, and New York City. Well, let's now jump to the Sunday evening forecast. By this time, that frontal system will be well off the East Coast, but again, can be some lingering showers and thunderstorms early in the day on Sunday, especially along coastal regions from New Jersey down to the Delmarva Peninsula. But by late Sunday, looks like we'll have mainly dry conditions here in D.C., Philadelphia, and New York City. It looks like the dry weather, albeit very warm, will continue on Monday as well. So not a bad weekend coming up, and again, it'll be an extended holiday weekend for many people right through Tuesday of next week. The comfortable conditions of today will only last into early tomorrow. We get much warmer, more humid Thursday afternoon, and then pretty hot and humid for Friday and Saturday. Well, that's it for now. For VencoreWeather.com, I'm meteorologist Paul Dorian.